due to the very dynamic nature of supply situation, of materials prices, or of other resources constraints, the common recommendation is that the more dynamic your industry is, and the more changes you experience in commodities pricing, for example, the more frequently your forecast should be updated, and the shorter is the forecasting period, right? So in a fast-paced environment, it's very difficult to imagine that you would have 18 months rolling forecast updated monthly with a high degree of accuracy. And then we are talking about scenario planning, because with such a long horizon, you definitely need to present to your management best case, worst case, the most probable scenario. But again, the more dynamic is your business, the more frequent is the update of your dynamic drivers, and the shorter the horizon is.